Hi everyone, I'll keep this quick and simple. This is how I go about making my own ballast. So hang in there, keep your cursor off the little slidey thing and you'll save a fortune. As you know, you can obviously buy this stuff. It can get a bit pricey. But after a bit of research, I went online and I found this stuff. I'll put a link in the description below. After a bit of sifting of this, and it comes in a 20 kilo bag, you don't have to buy a trail load, you get this. Okay, so what you need is a sifter. This is fly screen material, this aluminium fly screen. This is non-slip draw liner material. You can just shake this by hand, no problem, into a tray, easy. I'm a little bit lazy and I've made up a little machine to do it. Okay, firstly, grab your raw material. This gives you then place that material into the fly screen tray. What you're left with is this. Then place the leftover of that material into this. Give that a shake. That leaves you with this. And the remaining material is this. So this is what you're left with. First stage, fine powder, good for road bases. You can actually mix colour with that. Second stage is your normal ballast. This stuff, it's perfect ballast. Right size, the right colour. HO gauge, double O gauge, great. This stuff is like coarse ballast. You can use it for a HO gauge, it's probably better for larger gauges, but still useful. And then you get your small rocks, which can be used anywhere in the layout. So there you go. You'd have thought that this horrible looking stuff turns into this. It is absolutely a fraction of the price of the commercial stuff. It looks fantastic. Give it a try. See you next time.